It's just searching for the closest value you can get to 0.985, and these increase as I go out.
Oh my gosh.
So what's the closest you can get to 0.985 on here? Oh, it's right there.
2.17, yeah.
2.17. Good. Okay. Z-score would be 2.17. Okay, let's change it up. Now, unless you think it's easy. Find the area again. This time I'm not going to say to the left. I want to say to the right. Oops, right has one I in it. To the right of a z-score equal to 2.13. Let's think about what I'm looking for here. 2.13 z-score, there's 0, that's about here. I want the area to the right of this.
So is it the area under the curve over the
Yes.
So you can just subtract it.
Yes. Because what's the total area under the curve going to be?
So it's going to be 1.
It's always going to add up to 1. What's the table value going to give you? Always going to give you the area to the left, and I want the area to the right. So what's the process going to be? 1 minus that table value. So it's 1 minus, if I look up 2.13, what do you guys get? Does that make sense what's going on here? How to do this? I hope so. What's 1 minus 0.9834? So a little under 2% of the graph is to the right. What else could you have done? Knowing that this graph is symmetrical.
I like the way you did it.
If you looked up negative 2.13, that gives you the, you don't have to write this area, and those are symmetrical, so it would have given me the value over there too. So you could have looked up the negative one too. But I don't want to confuse you, I guess. Forget about that. Unless you get that. Okay, what about if I give you the area, I want to know the area between a z-score of 1.11 and 2.06. So that's my 0 z-score. I just like to have a reference. 1.1 is about here. 2.06 is about here. I would like that area. What's our plan going to be here? Find both and then subtract them. Yep, because we're looking for the overlap. Because when I look up 2.06, it's going to give me that total area. When I look up the 1.11, it's going to give me this area. I'd want to subtract those two, and it'll leave me with a piece in the middle. So what's the 2.06 area? 9803. Subtract the 1.11. So what, you on the positive side? I got 0.8665. Did you, what were we looking at? Oh, I don't know. Oh, she looked up 0.11. That's what you looked up. 0.11 you looked up. Okay, and what is this when you subtract?
0.1138.
Okay, so you can use the table. If I have to do a couple problems with the table. We have a calculator that gives us these values if you type the right thing in the calculator. So on the calculator is what we're going to do next. So grab that calculator. Yep.
Friday before Easter. It has to do with the religious thing. Yeah, I don't know.
It's when Christ died on the cross.
Oh, okay, that sounded really bad.
We understand.
Okay. Calculator, you're going to go under distributions. You're going to look for normal CDF, and you have to feed this program two z-scores. The left edge of your shaded area, and then the right edge of your shaded area. It will tell you the area between those two z-scores. So let's try a couple. So find the area using a calculator. Let's do the ones we just had. Let's go between. Let's see how close the table is to our calculator. Put this up for the people that are watching. Oh, here, right here. That's not good. Okay, distribution, same place as before. The normal CDF is up there at the top. Well, it's number 2. We don't ever touch the PDF. We're not using that one ever, ever, ever. So it's always CDF. The left edge of my z-score is which one? My shaded area, I mean. 1.11. Well, oh, it is. It's over there. It's up there. I'm trying to do it for the people that are gone. There.
Was that the lower?
That's the lower. That's your left edge. Comma. Then my upper edge, my right edge of the shaded region was that. And all I do is hit enter. How close was it to the one we got before? 1138, so we're good out to 4 places? Okay. Iris, any luck? Now it's your left z-score, and on a number line, 1.11 would be to the left, so 1.11, comma 2.06. Oh yeah, the newer operating systems are slightly different. Can you figure it out? You guys have the newer stuff? Yep. There's your answer. It's the same answer we got with the table. It's the same problem we just did with the table, 0.1138. Calculator, 0.1138. That's leftover from before. Okay, so you got between. What about that first one where I said, oh, I didn't do a left of a z-score equal to, my first one was negative 1.63. I'll shade that one in again. Okay, because I just told you, you have to feed this NCDF two z-scores, a left edge and a right edge. Well, how far to the left does my shaded region go? Negative infinity.
How do you get an infinity?
Exactly. And then our right edge is stopping at negative 1.63. How do we type in negative infinity? We just type in a really big negative number. Our really big negative number we're going to use on here is negative 10 to the 10th. That's plenty big negative enough for this calculator to get the right answer here. So let's try it. Go back, I'll clear that out.
Working with one though, how can it be infinity? We just say it's
Huh?
close, we say it's close, I mean.
Yeah, I mean,
work
it's
with one.
It's going to be close, it's going to be far enough out there, because this thing gets so close to zero anyway, that because we're way out there, it's all good.
I'm talking about the fact that it's like, when you're infinite, is it actually infinite?
The shaded, yeah, the graph goes forever.
How could, though, if you're only working with one? Oh.
It goes forever. I don't know what to tell you there.
Should have.
And let's see, with the table we had negative, or see, we had 0.0516, that's what we're going to get here. Oh, I should have typed in what I did, NCDF, in case you need to look back. Negative 10 to the 10th, and then negative 1.63. Because on a quiz or a test, you're going to have to give me this calculator line so I know what you're doing. Because if you type the wrong thing and then you get the wrong answer and you actually know what you're doing, I can't give you any credit. This is a half a point for typing something wrong instead of 4 points for typing something wrong. Yeah. Second distribution. Down at the bottom. Okay. Okay, right. Of z equals, what do we have? 2.13. Okay, I only see one z-score here. We've got to feed the program two z-scores. There's 2.13, and I'm going to the right. How far does that shaded region go? Infinity. What do you think we're going to approximate infinity with? Positive 10 to the 10th. So use your NCDF. Your left edge of your shaded region is starting at the 2.13. And it goes all the way out to the right to 10 to the 10th. Zero, 1, 6, 6, exactly what we got from the table. When we did looked up both of them and subtracted. Okay, the last thing we have to be able to do is if I give you an area, you come up with a z-score. And that's a different function. Yep, on the calculator. Yep, because before we just searched the table to try to find it, now we're going to do it on the calculator. Let's see. Where is it? Oh, is it on today? Let me look. Influence, there it is.